Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi all. Okay, today is my first sharing. Um, Actually, I've done video before back then in 2018, but I stopped after my fifth video, and then after that, I stopped producing videos. I'm busy with my work, busy with my life, and then for the past few weeks, I've done personal branding classes to my clients, teaching them how to actually build their presence on LinkedIn. And then, of course, in the module, I stressed that in order for them to stand out, they must do video, because that was set you apart from other profile, because you do a video. That's something that's actually hard for people to do, okay, because it involves lots of work. You have to be very confident to be in front of the camera. Okay, so today I've decided it's time for me to walk my talk. I teach my student, my class participant, for them, I told them you must do video, and it's about time that I walk my talk. Okay, so this video is actually to share my journey on LinkedIn. Okay, my personal journey on LinkedIn. So before we start, how do I, what triggers me to actually started to join the LinkedIn platform? Okay, let me tell you the story. Okay, in December 2016, before coming to Kuala Lumpur, before coming to Shah Alam, actually, I was in Kuala Terengganu, okay, I've lived in Kuala Terengganu for quite a long while. But after I filmed my business, I sold my business to others. Okay, I moved to Shah Alam. Okay, I moved to Shah Alam to build a new life. For me, it's about time for me to work for others. Okay, before this, I'm an entrepreneur. I have my own business, and I've never worked with big companies before. So it's actually, I've taken a big leap moving to Shah Alam. Okay, and then I started to look for jobs. Because at that time, my passion is actually social media, and I've done during my business as an entrepreneur, I've done a lot of social media marketing, digital marketing, SEO. It's actually what set me apart from other social media is actually the approach that I did. That is more on street smart. Okay, we have book smart and we have street smart. Okay, my approach is more on the street smart. Okay, I've come to Shah Alam, and then I've tried everything. I've create back my resume. Okay, I've updated my resume. I tried all the job platforms in the market. Okay, you name it. Indeed, Jobstreet, Mau Kerja, Mudah. I even search Mudah. I even search newspapers. Okay, that is my effort. I give my 100% to apply, to put my profile in these job portals, and then looking out for any of the suitable position and company that I want to work with. During the using the job platform, I actually got a few interviews, but it's actually it's not what I wanted. The position and the company is not what I wanted. Okay, so after about a month or maybe 3 weeks, after trying all the job platforms in Malaysia, so what triggers me to start doing my personal branding LinkedIn? What triggers me to start to sign up my account on LinkedIn? Okay, it's actually a book that I read. Okay, the book was borrowed by my sister. The book is called "What Colors Is Your Umbrella?" Okay, it's a very thick book. Guides you about interviews and how to search a job. And in the book, I haven't read. I haven't finished the book, but I just scan. I just keep it I just keep it to the part that I want, that is interested for me to read. And then at one part it mentioned LinkedIn, so I read about it and it's quite interesting. And the book is telling the readers to actually go for LinkedIn as one of the effort of trying to find a career there. It sounds interesting to me, so I did try everything. Okay, so on the 18th January, on the 18th January 2017, I established I signed up for my profile on LinkedIn. Okay, and then I've updated the profile. I've read a few articles on actually how to perfect my profile. Okay, it's actually on LinkedIn. Okay, I don't want to tell. This is that part is going to be the part 2. Okay, so today I just want to tell you what triggers me. It's actually what did I find during my struggles in finding jobs in all the job platform in Malaysia, because all the job platforms in Malaysia for job seekers, okay, for fresh graduate, if you apply to a job platform, you have to compete with the huge amount of application. Okay, for one job, maybe there are 100, maybe there are 50% the same qualification that apply to the job. And then usually all the high-end job portals, they have a robot or they have an algorithm that's going to filter your resume and then list out the top filter and list out the top candidates for the job, for the HR, for the founder, for the bosses to choose. That is actually, if you're not good at writing, or if you're not doing your resume right, if you don't have a certain qualification or academics education that they wanted, so you are actually filtered out by the algorithm. Okay, so it's actually a robot doing the filtering, and then at the end it will end up the human resources or the management person is going to do the second filter and then pick on the right person for the candidate just by looking through your resume. Okay, so it's very biased. So mostly the top list of the candidate would be with a good academic result, good on paper, good qualifications. So that's what the things with job portal, and it doesn't set you apart from, it cannot shows your personalities, you shows your what you can do. Okay, but it's different in LinkedIn. So that is all for me. I've tried all the job portals, so I think it doesn't suit me. I'm not going to say don't go for job platform, but it's actually, if you can do both, applying to the job platform, but at the same time you are focusing in building your personal brand in LinkedIn. So that's all my sharing for today. So for those who are struggling, who are still struggling, actually the answer to your struggling to find a job, so the answer to your problem might be LinkedIn. Okay, just build your personal brand, do everything right on LinkedIn, and then surely you will get results. Okay, I'm talking from my experience. Okay, later on I will share how the next video I will share how did I manage to get 4 jobs on LinkedIn without even applying. Okay, that's all for today, sharing for today. So I hope I'm gonna consistently doing videos. Sorry for my English and broken grammar. So I hope that can inspire you for those who are still struggling. Okay, don't lose hope. Keep the faith. Put lots of effort and just pray for the best. Okay, straight through Farah Nakwi. Bye.